audience segments. So this is going to be thinking about the type of potential customer that you might have and what they might be interested in. This helps Google to just kind of serve your ad to the right people. And so we can search for specific things, like maybe we want to run our ad only to women for whatever reason it might be, depending on your business. Maybe 80% of your customers are women, so you only want to run your ad to women. Or maybe you want people who are interested in a specific sport or a specific hobby. These are all different things that you can do. So we can decide, who are they? Are these married people? Are they single? Are they college educated? Are they not? Do they own a home or not, right? If we have a home insurance company and we're trying to run ads for it, we don't want to be running ads for people who rent, right? That doesn't make any sense. Now, keep in mind with this, all of these things are going to narrow down your potential audience, which is going to drive up the price as well. So only select these things if you really feel like it's an important part of your ad that you'll be running, okay? So like if we're running an ad for a university, well, we don't want to be running that for, people who have no interest in going to university, right? So you can go through here, toggle through each one of these, make sure that none of them apply to you. Maybe they do. You can select those. We can choose what their hobbies are, what their interests are. Maybe they're really interested. Most of our customers are interested in news and politics or sports and fitness. We can choose all of those things here as we go through this, okay? And then we have observation or targeting. This is the setting for our campaign. So if you're targeting, this is going to be when you select these options, it's going to be targeting those specific people. Observation is going to not actually narrow down the reach of your campaign. It's just going to have the option to adjust the bids depending on the interests of those people or the demographics of those people. That's more of a detail that you probably don't really need to know right now for your first ad that you'll be running.